Hey, it's me, Leah, and I'm excited today because this just came in the mail, gifted for review. You can get these right here on Amazon. A solar light fixture. So I've been wanting a light outside my front porch without having to do all the hard wiring, and this right here is what gives that to me. This is a solar lamp, and I know exactly where I'm going to put this outside. So let's open this up and check it out. I'm super excited about this because I've been really wanting a light right there because you can't really see the front of my door and it gets really dark, and I just didn't want to do all the wiring, right? So you got your instruction manual, your mounting brackets. All right, I'm just gonna screw this in, and it's wood, so I don't have to worry about it. And then, this is so cool, and look at the size of that. That is like a for real porch light, and it's all solar powered, and it just has the sensor and different modes right there, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit out in the sun and get a nice good charge, mount this on the pole out by the front of my door, and then show you what it looks like at daytime and nighttime. This is gonna look absolutely gorgeous and a great addition to my porch without me actually having to do any hard wiring and still get the light that I need. We will come back out here at night to take a look at it, and you can see where my actual porch light is back there, and it doesn't really brighten up out here. And here it is at nighttime. That is so bright, so bright. I can't believe how bright it is. And I have it set to where when you walk up to it, it brights up even more, and then it dims down when you walk away. So this really exceeded my expectations. I was not expecting it to be that bright. That is a beautiful lamp, easy to install. So happy I got this.